Three types of simplification. First one is the root 6 plus type is first type. Next one minus and then multiplication. Root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 up to infinite means you have to find the factors. So 6 uடைய factors what are they? 6 is 1 6 is 6. This is 2 factor. And the factors are the difference must be 1. So here the difference is 5. So find the next factor. 2 threes are 6. So these are factors. The difference is 1. So 2, 3. The factors. So plus means you have to take the biggest number. Biggest number is 3. So the answer is 3. First you have to find the factors. The factors difference must be 1. 1 plus means you have to take the biggest number. So, and then 12. Factors of 12 is 1. 12 is 12. Difference is 11. And then second one is 2. 6 are 12. Difference is 4. 3 4s are 12. Difference is 1. So this is the factors. 3, 4. Here they are given plus. So you have to take the biggest number. So the answer is 4. Here 72. 72 factors are 7, 8, 9s are 72. The difference is 1. Here plus symbol. So you have to take biggest number. So the answer is 9. I give one sum. Find the answer. 30 root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30 up to infinite. What is the answer? Comment. Root 30 up to infinite. First you have to find the factors. The difference must be 1. So here 5 6 are 30. So the difference is 1. And then here minus. So you have to take the smallest value. The smallest value is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Root 72 minus root 72 minus root 72 up to infinite. First you have to find the factors for 72. The factors difference must be 1. So 8 9s are 72. Here minus symbol. So you have to take the smallest value. So the answer is 8. Here root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 up to infinite. Find the factors. 2 3s are 6. So the difference must be 1. So minus sign. So the answer is plus 2. Suppose they are given plus means you have to take 3. Minus means you have to take 2. This is type 2. So command 12 minus root 12 minus root 12 is what? Comment your answer. Multiplication is very easy. So what is given? Root 5, root 5, root 5. So 5 is repeating. So you have to write what is given. So 5 given means you have to write 5. 5 is the answer. Suppose 8 is given means 8 is the answer. Here root 11, root 11 up to infinite. So 11 is given, so the answer is 11. Here root 12, root 12, root 12 up to infinite. Multiplication means you have to write the given number. I give root 8, root 8, root 8 up to infinite. What is the answer? Comment your answer.